In this video, I'm going to show you how to use 4x Generative Upscale in Adobe Lightroom Classic quickly and safely, so you can turn a regular photo into a much higher resolution image with just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want to recover more detail, crop tighter, or prepare your images for printing, sharing, or client work. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Adobe Lightroom Classic and go to the photo you want to upscale. This works best when you already have your image selected in your library or film strip. Once you've found the photo, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, look for Enhance and click Enhance. This is where Lightroom keeps its image improvement tools, including the Upscale feature. After the Enhance window opens, you'll see options for improving the image. The key setting here is Super Resolution. Turn Super Resolution on. When you enable it, Lightroom doubles the width and doubles the height of the image, which gives you 4 times the total pixel count. That is what people mean by 4x upscaling. So instead of just making the image look larger, Lightroom is actually generating a much higher resolution version of the photo. Before you apply it, take a moment to check the preview. Zoom in if needed and make sure the result looks good for your image. This is especially useful for photos with fine detail, like portraits, architecture, product shots, or anything where sharpness matters. If the preview looks good, you're ready to continue. Now click Enhance. Lightroom will process the image and create a new DNG file with the upscaled version. Your original photo stays untouched, which is great because it means you always keep the original file as a backup. The new enhanced image will appear alongside your original, and you can edit it just like any other photo in Lightroom. After that, you can continue with your normal editing workflow. You might want to adjust exposure, contrast, color, or sharpness on the new file depending on the look you want. The big advantage is that you now have a much larger, more flexible image to work with. And that's it. That's how to use 4x Generative Upscale in Lightroom Classic. It's fast, simple, and incredibly useful when you need more resolution without manually resizing images. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.